Welcome back to Telephony Adventures. This is part 3, Many Years to Specialise. Greg Ike, the owner of Phones Now, explained to Adam that IT and IP telephony are two different specialities. In fact, voice and data have different rules, and it's only an IP telephony specialist who understands the rules of voice in enough intricate detail to set up a flawless system to allow Adam to have his staff work from home. In this case, Greg recommended a Zoltus system. Now, Zoltus is the grandfather of IP telephony, and it is undeniably the smartest IP telephony phone system available, and Greg is the only licensed provider of Zoltus in Brisbane. Let's take a look at an example of just how smart that system is. Sarah is Adam's general manager. Now, Sarah flew off to Melbourne to catch up with some existing clients and to drum up some new business. Unfortunately, though, when she was in Melbourne, Queensland declared Melbourne as a coronavirus hotspot and slammed shut its borders. Sarah was faced with the option of either staying in Melbourne or coming back to hotel quarantine in Brisbane. Sarah and Adam decided that it would be best for her to wait it out in hotel quarantine, because Sarah, with the new Zoltus system, could work from anywhere. In fact, Sarah could work everywhere. The Zoltus system has video conferencing built in, and on a video conference, Sarah and her team realised that the floor plan for the upcoming trade show hadn't been approved by Adam. This was a really important requirement, and it was now urgent that it was done. The only complication is Adam was sitting on the tarmac ready to fly to Townsville to do even more business. So here's what Sarah did. Sarah called Adam's landline number and left a voice message. That doesn't sound like a very effective solution, does it? Except it's a Zoltus system, remember? And Zoltus immediately transcribed that voice message, turned it into an email, and emailed it to Adam. And Adam was able to quickly and discreetly respond to that email message before the plane took off. How easy is that? Exclaimed Sarah. So to see more solutions, join in to part 4 of Telephony Adventures.